Today I am going to show how to grow multicolor G-shaped logo with Portulaca Rose Moss. I took a pot first and then I took some soil mixed with compost and sand. After that I cut some branches with flower buds from different plants. I kept all branches the same height so the pot looks neat and balanced. I used yellow, red, pink, white, magenta, orange and mixed color Portulaca and Rose Moss together. When the sun rises, these flowers start to bloom slowly to keep them fresh. I spray some water so the soil stays moist and the plants stay alive. This simple pot shows how care and love can create amazing beauty. Thanks for watching. See, it is G-shaped logo